Welcome to JHF Technology Group. Hope this visit can help you understand our company better. Right now, we are at the administration building. The cultural wall on both sides showcase JHF's remarkable journey of the past 25 years. JHF was established in 1999 and is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the research and development of industrial printing technology, as well as manufacturing, sales, and services. In 2008, the Beijing factory was put into operation. In 2013, the first China printing industrial high-end formula Taishan Roadshow was held in Tai'an, Shandong Province, where JHF first proposed the concept of industrial printing. In 2015, with its core competitive advantage and innovative development path, the company secured an 82% market share in the segmented market for high-end industrial printers, making a significant step towards becoming a leading national brand. In 2017, the company successfully launched the Green World Initiative, fully leveraging its technology and research to actively respond to the national green development strategy and take the lead in promoting environmental-friendly printer. JHF have always grown alongside the domestic industrial image printing industry as a pioneer and leader. In 2018, the Shandong factory was put into operation. In 2023, JHF showcased new product at Shanghai International Advertising and Printing Exhibition, officially launching the JHF Venus 33X digital printers and the JHF Venus 10R ultra-wide industrial printer. The Venus 10R is the world's first 5-meter wide, 10-color UV eco-friendly printer, another milestone in JHF's dedication to craftsmanship. Over the past 20 years, JHF have focused on the UV printing industry, always leading the industry and grow alongside the domestic industrial image printing. Along the way, we have received many honors, including the Baishen Award and China Printing Award, which are the highest award of the printing industry. They also serve as a source of confidence for JHF to continue forging ahead.